Hi, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to send self-destructing emails in Gmail. First of all, go to your Gmail and compose a new mail. And here in this to field, go ahead and add recipient email address, write here email subject, and in this message body, write here your email message. And now to make the email self-destructing, all you have to do is just click on this little lock icon. So this is the confidential mode, so just click here. And now here you can see recipients won't have the option to forward, copy, print or download these email. And here as you can see, set expiration date. Now to automatically self-destruct the email, in this drop down select option for expired the email. You can select expires in 1 day and you can select expire in 5 years. So let's select here expires in 1 day, and here we can see the date when the email will be automatically self-destruct or expire. And here you can select no SMS passcode or you can select SMS passcode. I'm selecting here no SMS passcode, and now just click on save. And let's add here a dummy email address, and now let's just send this email. And here as you can see, I received the email. If I click on this email, and here as you can see, content expire at this date, at July 28th, this email will be automatically self-destruct or automatically delete. So that's how you can send self-destructing emails in Gmail. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.